Hello friends, this is Nifty Analysis for the day 14th of March 2022. On Friday, we said that it has touched the upper end of this particular channel once again. Then we are looking at for a sell on rise opportunities that is going to take place. And we have also informed that since the time is not complete, there are high chances that we will be moving sideways for next couple of days, something like this, uh, dragging towards the sideways, and we might get an opportunity to enter shorts at 16,700 to that of 800, keeping the stop loss at 16,850. So that going to remain the same. 16,850 remains the same as the stop loss. We are looking for opportunities to sell on rise. Now, we have also informed that to try to take positions by for the end of this particular March series. So we are looking out for a sell-off by end of this particular month only, not immediately. That is the reason why we were saying about looking for sideways, then a sharp fall. Now, what is the target? Ideally, we are looking for a test of this particular bottom of this particular channel. But looking at the current structure, we will be taking profit bookings at 15,800, half of it, and leave the rest for the channel to be tested on the lower side. So this is the ideal target zone that we are looking at for immediately by end of March. Thereafter, testing this particular channel, this second round of selling will be completed. Then we will be having a sharp bounce coming up on the upside. We'll look at that particular bounce later on once this is complete on the downside. And that sharp bounce will give another round of opportunity for buy on dips. Right now, we are going to stay sell on rise as long as we do not take out 16,850 on the upside. So we need to get a closing above 16,850 to ensure that the analysis that we are currently holding proves wrong. So the stop loss remains at 16,850 on the closing basis. When it comes to that of the bank nifty, again we are not getting a sharp bounce for another entry of the bank nifty itself. So if you were to look at it, bank nifty, again we are most likely go and test the bottom of 32,000 once again, to that of 32,000 on the downside, 31,500. There's a strong support of this particular zone. So this is where ideally the next sell off by end of the March will terminate. From there, we will be having a sharp bounce. Again, we need to get a close above this particular day's high, that is 35,400 to that of 35,500 on the upside. Once we are getting a close above this, then the trend have reversed. Okay, as long as we do not get a close above 35,400 to 35,500, we will remain sell on rise in bank nifty too. So when we were speaking about the bank nifty and the danger that is having in terms of the sharp sell off, see, this is the support line that we are speaking about. Starting from Jan 2021, most of the bank nifty trades have been restricted to that of the sideways moves. So if we were to look at it, the structure says that if we get a break below this particular support, we'll have a massive sell-off. But we are not looking at for that particular breakdown of this particular support line immediately. So right now we are looking at only for 31,500 as the base case. So we are not looking anything beyond or below 31,500. Unless and until we get a break below 31,000, we are not going to have a huge massive sell-off in terms of the bank nifty. That will probably happen after a sharp bounce that we get. Probably by April, May, we will be having a sharp bounce. After that, we might be having a sharp sell off. Right now, it is safe as long as it trades between 31,500 to that of 34,000. Sorry, it is safe as long as it trades above 31,000 to that of 35,500. Okay, this is our analysis for the day. Do stay connected in our group. In case of any important information to be shared, I'll let you know on that particular group. Thank you so much for watching this video.